Reaction when I heard about the award. I was very, very excited. I was surprised. I also felt proud, to be honored in this way.
Reggae icon Etana, a voice of power and purpose, has officially received one of Jamaica's highest national honors, the Order of Distinction, Officer Class. Her contribution to music, culture, and empowerment has earned her this moment of recognition.
Reaction when I heard about the award. I was very, very excited. I was surprised. I also felt proud, to be honored in this way. And I'm proud of the people who are part of my journey, because they should feel like they too have been honored because they're a part of the process. So thank you to all of them, all of my relatives, my grandmother, one of my biggest influence, even though she's not here in flesh, but I know so she's there somewhere around there, so look for me. So yeah, I'm grateful to my grandmother, my grandfather, all my ancestors, and for all of the support and love that I've gotten over the years from them, I'm grateful for it all. My husband, he is probably more excited than me. But yeah, I'm grateful. My fans, they're part of the process too, When I say all of the people, I mean all of them who have been part of my journey for the entire time. They are part of the process, and so big up to all of them.
From Wrong Address to I Am Not Afraid, Etana continues to represent strength and love through music. Congratulations again to Etana OD, a true queen of reggae. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Sonic Snap brings you the stories that move the culture.
I am talking about what the world has to offer. Girl, what you doing? Don't you